So the Spot arm can grab things, open doors, manipulate things.
The topics of robot uprising and science fiction films are consistently explored by many directors. If one day we have to live alongside the widespread presence of robots, it seems like Elon Musk and Boston Dynamics are the main directors of this real-world film. While the Tesla Bot Gen 2 is estimated to become commercialized at $20,000, Boston Dynamics' Spot or Atlas is headed towards a price tag of up to $75,000. In today's episode, we'll delve into Spot Dog and its cutting-edge technologies that rival Optimus. So, how will both of these technologies be commercialized? Let's find out in today's episode of Tesla Car World. Welcome back to our channel. Before we begin, please show your support by subscribing if you haven't already, and ring that bell so you won't miss out on any of our interesting videos in the future. Now, let's get started with today's content.
Because I think basically everyone would want one, and maybe people would want more than one, which means the actual demand for something like Optimus.
While the production of humanoid robots is becoming increasingly popular, Boston Dynamics continues to concurrently manufacture two of its leading technologies, Atlas and Spot. In the United States, both Atlas Robot and Tesla Optimus are recognized as among the most advanced humanoid robots, boasting impressive capabilities that have been widely acknowledged. With nearly 30 years of research in the industry, Boston Dynamics has not only excelled with Atlas, but also highly values Spot Dog as a technology. Spot Dog is even integrated with cutting-edge technologies that rival those of the Tesla Bot. How impressive is Spot Dog technologically to challenge the Tesla Bot Gen 2? Maybe you don't know the fact that while Tesla Optimus is still in the sketch, Spot Dog has a development history of nearly 8 years since 2015. So we say that Boston Dynamics' robot is the source of Tesla's inspiration, which is not wrong because at least they are a significant step ahead with a team of experienced engineers. Even the 2017 Netflix series Metalhead admitted that Spot Dog was the inspiration for them to build a plot about such scary chasing robot dogs.
And we've added an exciting new manipulation capability that will open the door to more autonomous missions.
Spot is a dog-shaped robot developed by Boston Dynamics. It's designed to perform various tasks, including surveillance, exploration, and industrial applications. It's easy to notice that its functions are quite similar to the tasks of the humanoid robot Optimus Tesla. In terms of integrated technology, we often recognize agility as a priority for Boston Dynamics in the robot lineup. Atlas Bot, for instance, showcases an impressive speed of 2.5 meters a second. But it's very strange that Spot Dog has a relatively limited speed of 1.6 meters a second. The truth is that we still expect more from Spot Dog, given its lightweight design of 72 pounds, which should allow for higher agility. Moreover, as a mobile robot, it should exhibit even greater agility. Looking back at the Tesla Bot, after the updated Gen 2 version, it completely moves up to 6.5 miles an hour after increasing its movement speed by 30% more and is more agile, even though it's 1.9 times heavier than Spot Dog at 138 pounds. You may think that comparing a humanoid robot to a robot dog is somewhat absurd and illogical, but remember that we are discussing the technology integrated into them. Especially, bear in mind that Boston Dynamics has over 20 years of experience in technology advancement in the field ahead of Tesla. Therefore, at times, making comparisons might disadvantage Tesla Optimus. Returning to Optimus Gen 2, it boasts a carrying capacity of up to 45 pounds, allowing it to handle a variety of objects. While there haven't been instances of it carrying a heavy load, its ability to handle and arrange smooth, sliding objects like eggs gives us a glimpse of Optimus's precision. On the other hand, we also highly appreciate the carrying capacity of Spot Dog, with an impressive payload of up to 37 pounds, which is not too far behind that of the humanoid bot. The truth is, despite having a smaller payload than the Tesla Bot, Spot Dog deserves praise, especially considering its compact size as an animal-like robot. You may not be aware that it has a length of only 43.3 inches, a width of 19.7 inches, and a limited height of 24.0 inches. With such dimensions and payload capacity, it proves to be highly maneuverable in transporting items, whether light or heavy, into every nook and cranny of a factory. Hopefully, Tesla will also soon develop robot dog technology in the future. As far as we know, Spot Dog is primarily designed for outdoor use in challenging conditions. Hence, it has an IP54 rating, indicating a relatively good resistance to dust and water. making it suitable for typical working environments. A brief explanation of the Ingress Protection Index. It is an internal classification system used to assess the environmental resistance of electronic devices to factors such as dust and water. This system employs a two-digit code, where the first digit indicates the level of protection against solid object ingress, as typically dust, and the second digit signifies the level of protection against water. Currently, Tesla has not disclosed this rating for Optimus, but based on our assessment of the structure, size, and materials of Bot Gen 2, it should at least receive an IP65 or 66 rating. With a height of 5'8", it allows for a higher water-resistant depth. Being enveloped by an 80% layer of polyurethane plastic on the exterior helps the robot repel dust more effectively than usual. So, is Spot's energy system the factor that makes it stronger with Tesla technology? The answer is no. Spot is equipped with an energy system that's not too powerful to attract customers. With a battery capacity of 564 watt-hours or 0.564 kilowatt-hours. In addition, the fastest time to charge up to 80% will take up to 50 minutes, and the slower time will be up to 2.5 hours, depending on the ambient temperature and charger. The charging source for Spot is known to be 400 watts. This robot only works for 90 minutes on a full charge. We won't say it's too weak compared to the Optimus Tesla, and don't want to compare them because Spot's simply a smaller robot, so the battery pack is definitely going to be smaller and weaker. However, we still want to mention the energy index that Tesla applies to its robot. The battery pack is 2.3 kilowatt-hours and can operate for 24 hours continuously on a single charge. This index could have been improved in Gen 2, but Elon Musk has not said much yet. In the latest update, Tesla Bot has been announced to have at least 13 degrees of freedom, with 11 degrees of freedom in the hands and 2 degrees in the neck. This is a significant factor considered to be a game-changer, as the movements of grasping and articulating joints appear to be as sophisticated as those of a real person. While Boston Dynamics applies up to 28 degrees of freedom for Atlas, SpotDog integrates only 12. The more degrees of freedom, the more flexible and smooth the robot's movements can be. With 12 degrees of freedom, Spot's agile and powerful enough to patrol every nook and cranny of a factory meticulously without limitations. This is a considerable advantage for Boston Dynamics and SpotDog. What makes Tesla Bot and Spot really suitable to support factory engineers? In reality, navigating around a factory is always a significant challenge for a robot. We all know that space within a factory is particularly complex, with numerous areas in different sections that can range from thousands of large to small machines. For instance, a facility like Giga Texas might include material processing areas, welding zones, paint zones, assembly areas, and not to mention the battery manufacturing section. Therefore, for a robot to operate effectively in a large factory, it is imperative to have an advanced camera system and robust environmental sensors. From our research, Optimus has had at least 8 integrated autonomous driving cameras in its head section to perceive the environment. Specifically, Tesla Optimus operates on an artificial intelligence-based perception system. Instead of being manually programmed, the robot relies entirely on 8 cameras with a 360-degree view, complemented by LiDAR and radar sensors. The AI system in Optimus 2 gathers information from these sensors to build a 3D model of its environment. The model is then used to navigate the robot and avoid obstacles. Additionally, the AI system leverages image and video data to understand how to perform complex actions, such as grasping and moving objects. Tesla's neural network is trained to end-to-end, meaning it learns the entire task comprehensively without breaking it down into separate individual tasks. In contrast, SpotDog, developed by Boston Dynamics, is also well-equipped with a substantial investment in its sensing capabilities. It features 5 cameras providing a 360-degree view comparable to a humanoid robot, and the publicly disclosed depth camera range is 2 meters. Furthermore, Spot is equipped with LiDAR sensors to scan objects, terrain, and the surrounding environment. So, are Tesla Optimus and SpotDog missions a big contributor to the factory?
We've put together major software updates to make industrial tasks like thermal inspection, acoustic imaging, and gauge reading easier.
While Musk has primarily mentioned that the Tesla Optimus will perform repetitive tasks in factories or handle dangerous missions, Boston Dynamics has provided clear details on what Spot can accomplish. Specifically, according to the CEO of Boston Dynamics, Spot can handle high radiation exposure in nuclear facilities and inspect compressed air links in production lines or inactive equipment at the plant. The manufacturer states that for every incident that occurs, a factory can lose millions of dollars each day if the issue is not detected early. Additionally, employees prefer not to frequently traverse the factory for inspections, but rather dedicate their time to higher-level tasks, making the use of Spot in manufacturing facilities highly advantageous. Recently, rumors about the Tesla Optimus supporting and collaborating with a Model 2 in Tesla's production line have been widely discussed. For the first time, an AI-integrated technology is being introduced to Giga Texas, and according to Elon, this is an unprecedented production line, with the Model 2 representing a revolution. If Optimus is indeed approved by Musk to participate in the production of the Gen3 EV, there will undoubtedly be something extremely special about this affordable electric vehicle. Hopefully, it'll introduce a completely new feature at a confirmed price of $25,000.
We've added a ton of new features to our Scout software so you can quickly plan and edit missions remotely and get better visibility into your site.
Looking at Dogbot, Spot proves to be quite efficient with a remote inspection software called Scout, which integrates 3 different types of inspections within the platform. With a thermal camera system on its head, Spot can detect motor malfunctions and insulation tube issues. It also employs an acoustic imaging device to identify compressed air links. Going beyond that, this robot can assist engineers or personnel in reading gauges across the entire facility through the computer vision of the partner Levitos, issuing alerts if abnormal readings are detected. The Spot Dog also has undergone many enhancements, much like Tesla Optimus. Boston Dynamics redesigned the robot to include both audio and visual signaling systems. Emergency stop buttons have been added to the Spot robot to increase safety, and the new audio-visual system is fully integrated into the robot, featuring 5 safety lights around its body, a safety horn, and a speaker. This new system works together to enhance safety and awareness for those working near the robot in industrial environments, ensuring that the people close to the robot are aware of what's happening. According to David Robert, director at Boston Dynamics, there will be signaling modes with a green light to indicate proximity, and an amber light when climbing stairs, and a flashing white light during inspection tasks. How will Spot's selling price differ from Optimus?
If it really works, which it will, is, I don't know, I mean, 10 billion units? It's some crazy number. It might be 20 billion units.
Although Spot's just a robot dog, its price is surprisingly high, with a recommended price tag of up to $75,000 as listed on the Boston Dynamics website. This amount makes it a rather extravagant product, posing a significant challenge in terms of consumer accessibility. Compared to the leaked price of the humanoid robot Optimus, which is around 20 grand from Tesla, Spot becomes considerably more expensive. Even if the price of Optimus were to increase, Tesla would likely not allow its product to be priced similarly. This makes the decision to purchase Spot more difficult, as its price is close to that of the Tesla Model X, which seems quite extravagant. Despite its high price size, Boston Dynamics has actively marketed Spot to construction companies, emphasizing its value in terms of efficiency, safety, and data-driven decision-making. They've utilized online channels, industry events, and partner relationships to reach their target audience. Meanwhile, Musk has been relatively cautious in publicly marketing Optimus, perhaps indicating that major marketing efforts will be reserved for more significantly upgraded generations like Gen3 or Gen4. Spot Dog, despite having the appearance of a robot dog, is in no way inferior to Tesla Optimus, a humanoid robot. Each of these robots possess unique technologies and functions that our partners should not overlook. Spot Dog is not merely a useful robot dog, it's an advanced device with multiple functions and cutting-edge technologies. Its ability to detect moving objects, autonomously open doors with its arm, and employ an audio-visual signaling system to enhance safety and awareness are standout features of Spot. On the other hand, Tesla Optimus, despite standing out with its humanoid figure and the ability to perform complex tasks, we observe that there's still much untapped potential. We encourage Tesla to upgrade and further promote Optimus so that people can clearly see its value and advantages. In the future, we anticipate that the competition between Spot Dog and Tesla Optimus will become more intriguing, with both partners introducing breakthrough innovations to meet the growing demands of the market. We hope that by 2024, there will be advanced generations of robots, affordable and capable of comprehensively supporting our lives. What do you think about the integrated technology in these two robots? And would you be willing to purchase the Tesla bot if it were indeed sold at a price tag of $20,000? We highly appreciate your valuable contributions. We hope you'll have the most relaxing feelings after watching this video. If you did, please hit the like button and join the Tesla Car World family by subscribing to our channel. And don't miss out on any of our awesome videos by hitting the bell icon. We value your feedback and your time. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Until then, stay safe and have fun.